Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Look what a beautiful morning. Yep, back in the kayak after a long time. I don't even remember last time I was in the kayak, but it's definitely been about a year and a half since I don't jump in the yak. I'm excited for what today's gonna bring. Start good in the morning, catch some bait. The bait here, if you can see it. I got some good goggle eyes. Caught about 6. One was dead. And I'm heading out for a quick trip. Just want to make sure that the kayak is performing 100% before the tournament. And tournament is next Saturday. I cannot wait to be there again. Get together with all friends and have some fun fishing. So let's see what's gonna bring today. Hopefully I can catch something, come back home with some dinner. Peace. Alright, I'm in a good place right here. I like it. I'm at 80 feet. I'm gonna drop my first bait. See what happens. These guys can bring me a really good fish. What, buddy? Go get him, Tiger. Go get him. Look at this guy. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go get him. I'm fishing in my hometown, baby. Hometown, Dania Beach. Fishing basically in my backyard. Look at this goggle eye going. Look at this bait going. 80 feet, I lie here. Let's see if I can catch a kingfish or something. I'll be happy with a king right now. And then hopefully I can catch a sail, wahoo, whatever it comes, it's gonna be welcome. All right, I'll see you later. Okay, well, you got a fish on, baby. Fish on. I don't have any place to keep the camera. All right, nice and easy. Nice and easy. This is a gaffer for sure. Definitely a fish that needs to be gaffed. Ah! Ooh, it's a nice king. It's a nice king, baby. Ah. my God. Ah, yes. Woo! Come on, motherfucker. Woo! Ah! Yes! Woo! Yeah, baby! Wow! Wow! Woo! God damn it! Yes! Alright, check this out, baby! Oh! Oh my God! Look at this game! Woo! 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 Yeah, baby! That's it. Look at this king. Massive. Getting ready for Saturday.